New at 5, a Palm Springs hotel could be transformed into permanent low-income housing. The city has already committed $3 million to the project. News Channel 3's Shelby Nelson explains what this could look like and why some nearby businesses are concerned.
It's not a shelter. It's not a drop-in facility. It basically is really low-income housing.
A total of $550 million is available through the state's allocation of federal coronavirus aid. Public entities can apply for grants to transform hotels and other businesses into permanent long-term housing.
When individuals have gotten them off the street, they've gone through a shelter program or they've gone through substance use treatment and they're ready to have their own home, we just don't have the doors. So this is a fantastic opportunity.
County Public Policy Advisor Greg Rodriguez believes this is that last piece of the puzzle. The County of Riverside is now working on deadline to secure some of those funds. Meanwhile, the city of Palm Springs voted unanimously to commit $3 million of its dollars to the project.
It's a gap in our community that's needed.
Ivy Palm is one of the main contenders of this project. The idea is to convert hotel rooms into apartments for individuals and single families. Some surrounding business owners believe in the concept but are still concerned.
I understand that, they want to help people that have had a hard, difficult time in their lives, but having it here across the way from our hotels and restaurants, the city needs to have a much better option as far as a location.
There is no plan. There is no management scheme. There is no operation scheme. That's the problem.
Rodriguez says Ivy Palm is the preferred location because it will require less renovations and could provide up to 85 apartments.
We are working on an outreach plan from the county to allay some of these concerns or fears.
Rodriguez says a manager will be on site 24/7. Case management and behavioral health workers will also be available through the county. As for now, it's a race against the clock. The first portion of the application is due this week.
The governor's requirements is that the money has to be spent by December 30th.
Rodriguez tells us it's going to be difficult to meet this deadline. In Palm Springs, Shelby Nelson, News Channel 3.
And county officials believe they could house some residents as soon as the end of the year, but they may not have the remodeling completed. The project in full is estimated to cost about $20 million.